3D printing is a fun way of creating things that would conventionally take a factory to build, but now at the convenience of your own home. The quality, however, is a bit lacking, so how would it translate to luxury watches? Well, Panerai tried using one, and this is what they came up with. This video is brought to you by Shiva's Gold and Gems. The serial for this Luminor Marina is the PAM01662. This has the typical Panerai case diameter of 44mm with a very wide 24mm lug width. The thickness is 16mm with a 300-meter water resistance thanks in large part to that signature clamping crown protecting device. The caliber inside is the P9010, the brand's automatic movement with a 4Hz frequency and 3-day power reserve. Built with toughness and uniqueness in mind, this model sports a CARBOTECH bezel and a titanium DMLS case. Direct Metal Laser Sintering, or DMLS, is a 3D printing technique to produce a very precise case construction that normal milling could not replicate. By laser welding titanium powder, this process creates a distinct matte finish and incredibly solid density. Like your typical 3D printing process, it takes 30 microns of titanium per layer to build this exceptional case. Nicknamed the Ghost, the PAM01662 has a gray overall tone unlike any other Luminors before it. Brands often make concept watches that showcases their manufacturing ability. This Luminor definitely fits this distinction but is readily available for everyone to own. A common trait of the brand's offerings has always been its bold and hefty proportions. Small wrists tend to emphasize this character. But with this CARBOTECH and titanium variant, wearability is comfortable because of its lightweight nature. The watch operation is an experience unto itself, with the need of pulling out the safety lever that unlocks the flat crown for winding the movement. Pull the crown and you can set the hours and minutes hand in a rather smooth and firm action. This luxurious action subverts expectations against a seemingly rugged exterior of the watch. The other crown position is for setting just the hour hand, which can also serve as a quick time zone adjustment and date switching. Lock back the lever and you're all set. No need to spend your time threading your crown back to place. This watch is not just an exhibition of technological innovation. This manufacturing process delivers an amazing contrast between the case and bezel. No two CARBOTECH bezels are alike, making each piece a unique watch. Top or bottom, every facet of the case is evenly finished with titanium. The Sportex strap texture spells practical in every sense. Even the tip has a DLC-coated titanium buckle that's oversized the Panerai way. On the dial, practically everything is done in gray, starting with the finished gray sandwich dial, along with Panerai's special gray Luminova formula. This is a very special Luminor that even those deep into Panerai will recognize. The Luminor, a name with its roots firmly planted in the history of luminescence, shines ever so brightly both in a literal and figurative sense. You can enjoy all 300 meters worth of formidable diving with this remarkable gray watch. But with materials that are also found in NASA's space shuttles, you can be sure that the Luminor Marina DMLS will retain its beauty beyond any activity you share it with. Panerai continues to explore innovative ways to build a tried and proven watch design. It already has a cult following, but with the Panerai Luminor Marina Ghost, it's hoping to grow an audience even more through watchmaking technology.